Hey guys, I am Vaibhav and welcome back to our channel. If you are a beginner and curious to design things like these through web developing, don't worry, I am going to tell you how to start from basics. So let's get started. We will divide the process in 9 sections. First you need to group the basics. Start with HTML because this is the basics of any website designing. It structures your content. Now after you have created your content, next comes the styling. So styling is done by basically CSS, which is cascading style seek. So you need to learn the CSS properties like fonts, background color, background, and you can design your content attractive like these. Next comes the famous word JS, which is known as JavaScript. This is where the magic happens because it adds interacting and dynamic features to your website like these. After that, get comfortable with version control like Git. Git is a must-have tool for any developer. It helps you track changes in your code and collaborate with others. Set up a GitHub account to host your project and showcase your work. Have you heard about the term front-end development? Section 3 is about basically front-end development. You have to explore popular frameworks and libraries like React, Vue.js or Angular. They will help you build more complex user interfaces faster. Don't forget about responsive design, making sure your sites look great on all devices. Once you are comfortable with front-end development, it's time to tackle back-end development. Choose a language like Node.js, Python or Ruby. Learn how to work with databases, both SQL and NoSQL, like MySQL or MongoDB. Remember to understand API because it is crucial. This is how your backend and frontend communicates with each other. Now the section 5. Basically, if you have learned all the things which I have mentioned above, you must have to imply it on something. So start building project from what you have learned. Remember, start from a small project, then upgrade it slowly to big one, like creating a personal website, blog, or even single web app. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Consider contributing to open source projects as well as gain real-world experience and visibility. After that, you need to understand deployment. Learn how to host your application on platforms like Heroku, Netlify or Vercel. If you want to get more smoother deployment process, get familiar with concepts like CI/CD. Don't go it alone. Join a community, engage on platforms like Overflow, Reddit or local meetup. Networking with fellow developers can provide support and open door to new opportunities. And if you have contact with some professionals, try to attend local or virtual meetup to connect with other developers, which will help you expand your network and gain more experience in it. As today's world is full of technology and changing day by day, so try to stay updated, follow blogs, listen to podcasts and participate in online courses to keep your skills sharp. Section 9 is basically the conclusion and outcome of all your things, hard works which you have done yet. So it's basically about when you feel that you are full ready, start building your resume, highlight your projects clearly, prepare for interviews by practicing on platforms like LeetCode and etc. Start with freelance or internship to gain professional experience, then go for entry-level positions to kickstart your career, and all the best for your journey. So that was all for today, and I hope I have listed a completely roadmap for how to be a web developer. But remember, you have to practice and give yourself enough time to be good. So take small steps at a time, but be consistent because consistency is a discipline which will help you to rise at another level. And thank you. Hey, have you subscribed it? If not, do it, then go.